Where am I?
Vítej, welcome in Czech heaven.
Hi. Czech heaven?
It's your understanding. We Czech, we don't believe in religion, we believe in good and bad.
Well, my name is Raimi.
I see you're not from Czech?
And, well, yeah, I lived all my life in Czech Republic.
No, dobře. In Czech heaven, everything it's all you can imagine.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
We have Bear Waterfall, we have Jezero Svičkova, we have even Perničkový sníh. All very, very nice Czech people, it's here. Němcová, Masaryk, Lucie Bílá, Jolanda and
Bohdalova?
Kamo, Bohdalova it's still living.
Oh, okay. Mám dotaz? Víno. Máte víno? Protože já nepiju pivo.
Ano, no problem. Pardon. Pardon.
Povídejte! Co potřebujete?
Kde jsem?
Nemáte číslo?
Nemám.
Tak si berte číslo a počkejte.
1 299 900.
1 990 000? Jsme jenom na 9. Běžte do fronty.